So, hi there. So, this is gold, and my point for today trading would be I'm just looking for sells on gold. Uh, Previously, I was looking for my level is
Cool.
this 3,200. It's 86, I guess. Let's see. Check. It's 293. 3,293 was my target. Let's fix it a little. So this is the level which I'm looking where the price would come, and so even here the price showed it's really want to go when just spike this area. So sells are good. There was war as well, but there's a stop pause in it, so probably it could go for a dip. uh, the next target would be this candle, maybe the which we can look for 62. Yeah, 62 is a good area. That's the ultimate for today, and I'll also be looking for tomorrow as well, but the first GP would be this, and then this is the second target for the day. Come on, what the hell are you doing? Just fix it. Fix it. A minute. H1. What's happening here? You can ignore these things. And not this one. Perfect. A good scenario for sells. So probably the price will drop more. A drop is expected more on the downside. Yeah, if they wanna, if they would really want to own to. This is the okay. It would go fast to the downside. It's the second state re-accumulation and drop. So weight is much better, but how about you can look in another, maybe in next few hours you could take this trade, but I was looking for this area for buys, but I have this kind of a plan whenever I'm going, when I know the bias is the price direction is sells, but still I go for against the market. It's one of my old hobbies, so going against the trend, and I knew that was the target. And why did I made this one is because when the price was somewhere around here, I was expecting a bullish move till this high and then a sell. But what did the price did? Price expand. Once it dropped below minute 5 time frame, the other candle went up into this gap and then dropped. It's dropping towards 23,293.498. So let's go back to How about this? Grid lines being taken off. It's wonderful. Yeah, let's put our own watermark. Can we do that? Can I? Yeah, I think. Let's see. Where did I put my watermark? Ticker interval description. If I can put it, it will be wonderful. Visible mouse, visible or okay, perfect, no trouble. We're just looking for okay. Okay, this is an area of sensitivity, so come on, just make this small box. So yes, that. And what I'm expecting right now is that price should respect this area, and we should have a straight drop towards 3,293. Exactly that, gap which is formed from this low to that high. So that's a straight drop. Before even looking into, there are so much detail which I've made, and then came to the conclusion that we are going to the downside. If you can see, I told that I was looking for this area. What? For what? Just because maybe they want to take that high, didn't take that, came down, and if they want to go down, they're going to drop their cells maybe around, which is this draw line, and if they can go heavily below this level, then this is the level. This is for personally my own development, and I'm just recording for my growth so that I can see. Tomorrow you can also join in and see where the price action. We can do demo trades, and wisdom bench. Watching on my big screen, is it zoomed in or what? I don't know. But let's see where. Number one thing which I'm looking for right now is that it should reach above that midpoint and drop. That's the premise. So. This is really bad. I'll have to fix it. I'm sorry for that. Just was looking right now and I saw. Okay, so that would be better. Even better, even better, even better. We'll fix it by tomorrow. So let's see. How can we see right now? Okay, so the area of sensitivity is that box which you can see right now. Now the screen is clear. So that's the main area where now we have some delay of maybe around, it's around maybe uh, 10 to 15 seconds or maybe 20. So I didn't calculate it, but it looks like it's a 20-second delay. So this is coming towards the low. So if I have to, be really keep that stop loss really tight, I would keep around 33,308. I'll keep there and I'll let the trade dip into 3,223. So the point is that could be a stop loss and this could be a take profit. Okay, let's do it visually. It's a short. I mean, okay, from that, and okay, once again, pardon for that as well. So no, we'll keep this at stop loss. It will be around 1 to 2. It's like, yeah, the take profit is much better. Yes, that's our premise for right now. And I mean, this place should be respected for price to go even more. So let's see. Now, why should we be looking at this? It's number one, on daily we are bearish, so the price going below means something, which means price is looking for the downside, which is our, I mean, south side liquidity. It's coming up, so yeah, let's come back with our trade. Here we go. So I mean that some of the I would not preferably looking a price close above this level. If it closes, then it will be not a very good that's a perfect stop loss. Right. So you see on this candle right now, it's showing some respect. It went a little bit above. Okay, that's permissible. So that's permissible even though minute 5 time, minute 3 time from another candle close. Uh, the dip towards the downside will be fast. So this is the place where it should be dropping like a rocket. So and probably it should be dropping more. The ultimate target is down. So let's see. What's happening right now? It's there is a respect for that zone. So we might. So here we'll see a fair value gap in a while, and you'll be surprised by that fact. So just expecting for a next candle to drop below and make a fair value gap, and if that happens, you'll see price coming like a rocket to 3,293.498. So let's see how does this pan out. Worst scenario is prices coming back towards that upper where the stop SO is. Oops, didn't happen that. So we were looking for a sell. I mean, and we were looking for a price to dip below. It happened, so let's see. that line is a little bit above which I'm looking for. So that's the stop loss. Yeah, that's a perfect one. Yeah, it's a demo. Perfect. Mm-hmm. This look bad for a while.
Surveys of households and businesses, however, reported declining selling sentiment in recent months, with elevated uncertainty about the economic outlook, largely reflecting trade policy concerns. It remains to be seen how these developments might affect future spending and investment. In the labor market, conditions have remained solid. Payroll job gains averaged a moderate 224,000 per month in the first 5 months of the year. The unemployment rate at 4.2% in May remains low and has stayed in a narrow.
Someone said I love them drip. What am I wearing Adidas slides.
Still outpacing inflation. Overall,
Honey, how's the gym going?
suggest that conditions.
Baby's talkie's not moving anything. And this is gonna go on until 12. So I was thinking at least at the beginning. I'm canceling that. I was thinking at the beginning at least he would start. It would do something, but it's not. Not at the beginning. Someone said. What was it? How's the gym going? Putting reps every day or not? Yeah, dude. I went yesterday. I had a personal training session at 2 to 3 p.m. and then I went golfing.
So just want to see a dip below that box which I've made, and then we'll look for a drop. So let's see what happens next. We have a lot of things that are in sync with this trade which we have formed, and the dip should happen, and it should go for it at a level. Otherwise, then we will take a small pause and we'll see. this is not looking good. So closing around this area for a while. No need to take that stop loss. Now we have to wait for a small break, and if there's a shift, we will jump into it for further drop. These kind of things are perfect when there's a set of foam and it is not showing its hand, and you're confused whether we should go and hold for this trade and worried for the whole night. And keep that thing in your mind. It's better that you just take off the risk and just wait for the analysis which I said in the first part of the start. It's still on, but how about if it showed its hand and then we jump in again? What was the problem? If it is, if it wants to drop, it will be fast, that's for sure. Or if it's not, then we'll hold, we'll do nothing and take the small loss and accept it for the day. Even this is like permissible for price to go up, but it should drop. And so even on the perspective of a trade in gold, this was stop loss. It's taken here. It's taken. So it's taken. Now the people will get mad about this trade and they will be like, what the hell just happened? It's part of trading. Stop losses happen. This kind of thing happen. So we'll be closing here, and in next session I may enter again and see what happens in the market.